What you doing?
Mommy, don't look.
I'm not looking. Just the camera is looking, not me. So what you doing? Nothing? Are you gonna bury my feet again?
No.
No? Can I bury your feet? No? Did you bury them in? Where did they go? Where did they go? I don't see them.
Mommy, don't look.
Okay, I'm not gonna look. I'm not looking. Are you gonna let me find them? They're not there? I don't see them. Can I find them now? No? Now can I look for them? I just don't know where they went. What did you do with them?
They're not here.
Uh-oh. Okay. I'm going to stop recording.